Hi, good morning. I hope you can hear me clearly. So it's currently raining outside, and I hope you are all in good spirits now that we are lifted from the ECQ and most of us ay nasa general quarantine na, if not general, modified. Ayan, so I hope all of you are in good spirits and all of you, your family, yourself are all well. So welcome to my channel. This is Christine and yes, welcome to my channel where I share some tips, advices with regards to stocks, finance, love, heartbreaks, and anything under the sun. So yeah, so for this, share ko lang sa inyo. If you want to skip this whole intro, um, I've, anong tawag dito? Nasa ibaba, dun sa description box. You can jump onto those time stamps if you want to proceed with with the whole topic. But if you want to stay and know the backstory, ayan, magkakwento lang ako saglit. So this is my very first webinar, recorded webinar for my clients slash friends that I made for them. So medyo nawala ako dun. Ayan. So this is the first webinar that I made for my clients slash friends. I've already been, discussing with them from time to time via chat, via messenger, or face to face. But this is the first time that I did it on the web. Tapos recorded pa. And I'm sharing this with you pa on YouTube. Kamusta naman yon? So this is a first for me. So, konting backstory, like I've said, I've started my stocks journey way back 2013, and I opened my account 2013 pa. But prior to that, paano ko ba ito nalaman? So, I am subscribed to a newsletter of Brother Bo Sanchez, and if you're familiar with his book, My Maid Invest in the Stock Market. So, yun yung nakapag-encourage sa akin to try stock to go into stock market. So why am I sharing this? Because since 2013, so that's like 7 years na, no? I've encountered a lot of ups, a lot of downs, and I have burned cash along the way. So, I don't want you, if you're a newbie, na papasok pa lang, susubukan pa lang yung, pagpasok dito sa stock market. Maganda siya, but if you do not know what you're doing, you're gonna really, really burn your money, your hard-earned money. So, that's not what I want you to experience. So, if you're papasok pa lang kayo and you have really no clue, then thank you. Watch until the end of the video. And so this is going to be a 3 to 4 part series. The entire video that I did, the entire webinar is about 45 minutes. So, ihahatiin ko na lang siya para, hindi naman kayo magsawa. Ayan. So, yes. So if you are looking for more in-depth, in terms of trading, this is not the video for you. But if you want to remind yourself ng mga do's and don'ts, refresher, kumbaga, then, you're free to watch. And yes, so and I hope that you won't make the same mistakes that I did. And if you're starting your stock investing journey, then thumbs up. Yeah, give yourself a pat on the back because you're already widening your horizon in terms of money making opportunities. So, ayan, without further ado, please stay tuned and please tell me your thoughts, tell me your comments with regards to the video. So, ayan. And all right. So, hello guys. Welcome. Nakakatuwa naman to. Welcome po sa first ever kong webinar. Yan. So, okay. So, share ako ng screen before we begin. Share screen. Woo! Start sharing. Nakikita niyo yung screen ko? Yan. Nakikita ba?
Nakikita din.
Okay, thank you. Yan. Okay, so thank you for being with me today. Lalo't Sunday, it's a rest day, and we're also celebrating Mother's Day. So thank you very much for being with me right now on our session of beginners. This is a beginner's guide for investing in the stock market. So it is entitled How Not to Get Broke on the Stock Market, 3 Things You Should Know Before Buying Your First Stock. So, if you have any questions, feel free to type them on the chat box and sasagutin natin siya after ng presentation. Okay? Proceed na tayo. Ayan. Although kilala niyo naman na ako. But still, ayan. I would like to ask your permission to introduce myself. So, my name is Christine Villanueva. So, I'm a registered electrical engineer. I'm also a certified investment solicitor from the BPI Investment Management Inc. or BIMI, and I'm also a financial educator. Okay, so by the end of this short seminar, this is what I want you to bring home with you. So the pointers, how does the stock market works? So we'll start with stock market basics and 4 mistakes that new investors should avoid. Next is how do you start? So traditional versus online brokers, and then I will guide you through some of the online platforms that I have, and also when is the best time to start. So the financial pyramid. Okay, so let's go. Ayan. So how does the stock market works? So hindi ko kayo nakikita ah. Feel free lang, makinig lang kayo. So ayan. So in a simple terms lang tayo ngayon. So it all starts with the corporation. One way that a company or a corporation raises capital is by issuing bonds or shares of stock. So kapag sinabi nating bonds, yan, makita nyo naman, we are lending the capital or hinihiram siya through bank loans or bonds. So ito yung mga inuutang sa bangko or inuutang sa investors. And then another way, which is ito yung magpo-focus tayo ngayon, is via share in the capital or stocks shares. Ayan, stocks shares. So that's how a company will raise its capital. So, bakit ba nagre-raise ng capital ng isang company? So, for example, si Jed, meron siyang maliit na restaurant and dumadami na yung ang tawag dito, dumadami na yung customers mo. So, gusto mong mag-expand, gusto mong palakihin, or gusto mong mag-branch out, pero wala kang enough na pera. So, ang gagawin mo ngayon is i-open up mo itong company mo para makapag-invest yung ibang tao, or ikaw mismo, pwede kang manghiram sa bangko. Ayan siya. So, paano ba itong mag-share in the capital? Yan. So, to a company, selling shares is a way to raise cash to expand the business. So, in order to do so, hindi yun basta-basta maglalagay ka lang ng tarpaulin dun sa labas ng karinderya or ng shop mo at maglalagay ka na naghahanap kami ng partners, hindi ganon. If gusto mong mas malakihan, kailangan mo siyang ilista, yan, sa stock, yung stock mo on one of the stock exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, or in our case, the Philippines Stock Exchange. So, ang tinatawag dito, yung IPO or yung initial public offering. So, sa mga bagong company na hindi pa naka-list or gustong magpa-list sa Philippine Stock Exchange, lahat yung nag-undergo ng IPO or yung initial public offering. Okay. Yan. So, next. So, yun na siya. So, yun yung pinaka-gist kung bakit merong stocks, kung paano nakakabili paano ba sila napupunta doon. Now, how can you earn through stocks? So, number 1 is by dividends. So, ito, very recent lang to. This is from, Meralco, MER. Yan yung stock code niya, Meralco. If you hold a stock, you are entitled to receive dividends. So ito yung dividends, ito yung mga surplus dun sa profits na binibigay nung owner, ng corporation to its investors. hindi lahat, yun lang pala, hindi lahat ng company nagbibigay ng dividends. So you also have to check kung sino-sino yung mga company na nagbibigay ng dividends. So dito, nagulat ako kanina habang tinitingnan ko siya. Kung makikita nyo, 10 pesos 0.395 per share. Malaki yan. Number of shares entitled ko. So, kung magkano ilan yung shares na hawak mo. So, at this time, I have 60 ng Meralco. So, ang gross amount niya, 60 times 10, 623 pesos. 'Di ba? Malaki na rin yon. So, less withholding tax, so on net amount, 561.33. So, yung ibang mga investors, bumibili lang sila ng stocks ng mga kumpanya gaya ng Meralco because of the dividends. Because if you can imagine, 'di ba? 60 shares lang ito. 60 shares lang yung meron tayo. What if ang shares ko ay nasa 1,000? So, yan, 1,000 times 10. 10,000 yung dividends ko, 'di ba? At wala akong ginagawa. May hawak lang ako ng shares niya. Makakatanggap ako. So, this is also one way of earning passive income. So, ito yon by dividends. So, ang Meralco, 10.395, pero it varies per company. Nakadepende yun sa kanila kung magkano yung dividends na gusto nilang ibigay dun sa mga investors. Okay. Next is by capital appreciation. So, kung makikita nyo dito, we have here the average price. Let's focus on ito, Double Dragon and D&L Industries. So makikita ninyo, I bought this stock, Double Dragon, at its, alam ko IPO price niya to 8.81 pesos. Yan yung price niya nung binili ko siya. Now, ang market price niya today, trading today siya at 16 pesos. So, meron na akong gains na 2,121 pesos. So, back in its peak, umabot itong Double Dragon ng around 30 to 50 pesos per share. So, imagine nyo na lang kung magkano yung gain na nakuha ko. And if you're also going to look ito sa bandang ibaba, ito yung pinaka-grabe as in naabutan ko na stock, yung Golden Bria Holdings, which is ang previous na pangalan niya is Golden Haven, which was owned by Manny Villar. So 99 pesos yung average price, but I actually bought the stock ng around 21 pesos per share. 21 pesos pa yon. Yan. Tapos nun, nagtitrade siya ngayon at 311.8 pesos. So ilang, 'di ba? 300 to 400% increase yung capital na nakuha ko. So, ayan. So, by capital appreciation. So, those are the two ways. But wait. Ayan. So, nakuha ko itong slide na to kay Mr. Ricky So ng Fast Exchange. Ayan. So, ang basic investment concept sa isang conservative. So, conservative ka. So, kung mababa yung risk mo, syempre, mababa rin yung reward mo. And if mataas yung risk mo, mataas din dapat yung reward. But in reality, ganito yung nangyayari. So if amateur investor ka or amateur trader ka, ganito nangyayari sa kanya. Napakataas nung kinukuha mong risk, pero yung reward mo napakababa. Meaning, stock market in itself is very risky. It's very volatile. So, magalaw yung presyo kasi hindi mo hawak kung yung sentiments or management ng company, kung maganda ba yan or pangit. So, hindi mo hawak yung galaw, yung galaw ng presyo niya. Kaya mataas yung risk. In terms of reward, ito yung profits or yung gains na nare-receive mo. So, if you're an amateur, in reality, kapag wala ka pa talagang alam, ang risk na kinukuha mo is very, very high. Tapos ang rewards mo or yung profits na natatanggap mo is very, very low. Kung babalikan natin yung slide kanina, ayan. Nakikita nyo ba to? Yan. Yung ECP or Easy Call Communication Philippines. Ito yung sinasabi na amateur. Super amateur. Ayan. So, 65 pesos nung binili ko siya. Super na-hype ako nito noong mga panahong ito. Kasi maganda raw siya and baka siya yung third telco. So, very speculative yung stock na to, yung company na to. So, I bought it ng peak niya, which is 65 pesos. And then, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. So, ang nasa isip ko noon is mag-i-increase pa siya. Kasi nga, yun nga, third telco daw siya eh. Pero hindi pala siya yung nanalo as third telco. So, nangyari, nag-plunge yung kanyang stock price. So, from 65, it's down to 7. So, ang loss ko ngayon, yung red na yan, is negative 7,007. So, magkano yan, no? Yung puhunan ko na almost 8,000, 7,000 doon, ay lugi. Lugi siya. So, ito yung isa sa mga iniiwasan natin. In my years, nag-start ako sa stock investing sa stock market way back 2013. And pabago-bago ako eh. Minsan investor, minsan trader. So, yun yung isa sa mga pagkakamali ko. So, i-discuss natin yun mamaya. So, ito siya, negative 7,007. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nasa port ko pa rin siya ngayon, nasa portfolio ko pa din. Hindi ko pa rin siya binibitawan kasi inaantay ko pa rin na medyo tumaas-taas. Ayan. So, nga pala, yung by capital appreciation, you will only realize yung gains nyo kapag binenta mo yung stock. Okay? So, ito pa lang yung nakikita dun sa port ko. Meron akong 4,000 gain kay Golden Haven, pero paper gain pa lang to. Paper gain pa lang siyang tinatawag. Hanggat hindi ko binibenta si Golden Haven at 311.8, hindi ko makukuha yung 4,184 na gains. Ganun din, hanggat hindi ko binibenta, although kitang-kita na negative na siya, pero if I'm going to wait it out or, pabayaan ko na lang siya, hanggat hindi ko to binibenta, hindi ma-realize yung loss ko na 7,007. Okay, so thumbs up if naiintindihan naman at nasusundan niyo ako. Okay, ayan. So, ayun. So, I hope you enjoyed that one. So, right now, magtatanong kayo, di ba? Bakit hindi ko pa rin binibenta yung ACP stocks ko? Well, it serves as a reminder for me of the things that I should avoid in the future. Ayun. So, for part 2 of this series, nandito lang siya. Nakikita nyo na yung link niya in here. And yes, please do stay tuned for more videos to come. And I would really appreciate your comments, your suggestions of future topics that you want me to discuss, that you want me to, discuss. Ayan. So, yes, thank you for watching. And please do, if you find value in this post, please do like, share, and subscribe. Asan ba yung link? Ayun. Yan, mayroon dyan. Please do, share, subscribe, and like this video. Ayun, so ulitin, this is Christine, and keep on exploring, keep on keep on daring, keep on breaking limits, have a good day, and live an awesome life. Ciao!